Okay. So we're going to do something a little kind of interesting to me. We're gonna do one of those old prehistoric birds, South American birds. Terror bird. Used to actually walk around. In the distant past there. Yeah. We'll do that. There's its wing. And its eye. Oh boy. Probably right about there. Right about there. Large eye. Okay. And we're going to put them in sort of a running, maybe like just a walk. So hopefully this doesn't go off the paper because there's the edge. And we'll do that. Make his toes come up. There's a claw. There's another claw. Some feathers. And we'll, I think we'll just make it there on his other leg. Just make it. It's going to be real close. Alright, there we go. We'll kind of smooth that out later. Okay. Here's where the feathers connect with the leg. And we'll do his other wing. You sort of, birds do that. They sort of do their little fluff thing. Okay. And the feathers come around his beak, or her beak, whichever. We're gonna get rid of some of that right there. We're gonna get rid of some of that and make a little more detail there. Okay. Start adding some shadows in. I'll make this a little more solid looking. Some more feathers. Make that leg connection there a little more obvious. All right, the eye. I gotta do this. Probably something like that. We'll give him a design. Sort of similar to an actual living bird. Nostril. Beak. Actually, I had something else in mind completely, but that's what happens sometimes. You just sort of get sidetracked with other ideas. We'll put something kind of interesting that's sort of like a pattern, like here. We'll say this is like another pattern he has. It's another pattern. This bird's got a lot of interesting shapes and stuff on them as far as the colors go. This one is in the background, so we'll kind of make that a little darker. And maybe his tail feathers are a little lighter. So we'll leave that kind of up in the air there. Sort of fill this in. I'm trying to move kind of fast here because this is, I want to make this a two-parter, and we'll keep his head kind of light. We'll just sort of assume that's where we'll assume this is lighter. Just like the tail feathers here. Okay, enough of that. Legs, they had sort of a chicken-like form there. So we'll try to draw this in as quickly as we can. And I'll fill that in. Less important in the background there. Okay. We'll try to fill this in as quickly as possible. Claws. That's where his other foot goes there. And that was kind of mishmashed by hay. And some grass, because they're on the open plains there, they're stalking around. So, like a little impression of a stone or just raised earth. Do some grass there. Some grass. And I think we'll call it good. And three of these. All right, there you go. Another one done.